Probable cause is a legal term associated with whom police can search or pull over. Motoramic reports that in 2010, a sheriff's deputy in Florida pulled over a suspect based solely on color of the car, which did contain cash, cocaine, and marijuana. However, last week the Florida Supreme Court set the suspect free and ruled that the deputy didn't have probable cause. Similar rulings have been made across the country. Profiling by paint job. Who knew? Does this ruling mean that not everyone in Pimp My Ride is running a stable of girls? So everyone who rides in a lowrider isn't a gang member? And I suppose that ridiculously raised 4x4s with oversized tires and stars and bars flags in the window don't contain moonshine or automatic weapons. I'm E. Curtis Johnson. The Florida Supreme Court ruling begs the question, will Americans stop making value judgments about people based on the car they drive? The answer to that isn't probable cause. Unfortunately, the answer is probably not.